Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking mushrooms stuffed with bacon and cheese. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Put a frying pan on a medium-high heat and fry the bacon. Once it starts to brown, remove to a plate and pat with kitchen roll to remove excess fat. Cut up the bacon and set to one side. Now separate the mushroom stems from the caps. Place the caps to one side and finely chop the stems. Put a saucepan on a medium heat and add the butter. Once melted, add the onion and mushroom stems. Cook until they're soft and remove to a bowl. In a bowl, mix together the mushroom stems, bacon and 2/3 of the cheddar. Scoop this mixture into the mushroom caps and place on a baking tray. Bake for 15 minutes. Remove and sprinkle over the remaining cheese. Return to the oven for 2 minutes to melt the cheese. Enjoy these delicious mouthfuls while they're hot. You'll be amazed how juicy these tasty mushrooms are. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.